Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Let us continue with our first chapter. So children, get ready with your notebook, textbook and geometry box. In the previous videos, we have seen three types of constructions. Now, in today's video, we will see the fourth type of construction, that is, to construct a right angle triangle given the hypotenuse and one side. So first of all, let us see what is right angle triangle. We know that triangle with right angle is called as right angle triangle. So now in this triangle, this is the right angle, so this is the right angle triangle. In such triangle, side opposite to right angle is the hypotenuse. So, and these two remaining sides are the sides forming right angle. Now, let us see the solved example first. Draw triangle LMN such that major angle LMN is 90 degree, hypotenuse is 5 centimeter, length MN is 3 centimeter. Now here the names are given. So first we will see at vertex M there is a right angle. Therefore the remaining two vertices or the segment formed by remaining two vertices will form the hypotenuse. Therefore the hypotenuse will be the segment LN. Here we will draw the rough diagram. Draw segment MN as the base because this is the side forming right angle. So we will take here as the base. It will be of 3 centimeter. Now there is right angle at vertex M. So in rough diagram we will try to show right angle at vertex M and join the remaining two vertices to form the hypotenuse in the triangle. This is the vertex L. Now in this it is given major angle LMN is 90 degree. This is the hypotenuse, so its length should be 5 centimeter and segment MN is the side forming right angle, its length is 3 centimeter. Now let us go with the exact measurement. Take the ruler, draw segment MN of 3 centimeter. Start from 0, draw it up to 3. Now give the name to this segment MN. Now take a protractor to show right angle. Now put the origin on the vertex M, mark 90 degree using dot. Now draw the ray with origin M. Give the arrow. Now here the vertex L will be somewhere on this ray. Now to get the location of vertex L, we will take the compass. We will adjust 5 centimeter using ruler. Put the needle end on 0 and bring the pencil end on 5. Now the segment LN is 5 centimeter. So we will put the needle end on N and we will mark the arc on this ray. So put needle end on N, give the arc on the ray. Now join this intersecting point with N, you will get the hypotenuse LN. Now give this vertex as L, put the symbol of perpendicular here, write the measurement of the side forming right angle as well as the hypotenuse. So now this is your required triangle. So write here triangle LMN is the required triangle. Now we will start here with practice set 5. Let us go with the first example. In triangle MAN, major angle MAN is 90 degree, length AN is 8 centimeter and length MN is 10 centimeter. Now here hypotenuse is not given or the name of hypotenuse is not used while giving the measurements. So first we have to decide what is the hypotenuse, which is the hypotenuse and which is the side forming right angle. Now in this name you will see the right angle is formed at the vertex A. Therefore AN will be the side forming right angle and the remaining two vertices will form the hypotenuse, that is segment MN. So length MN is the hypotenuse. So here while drawing the rough figure we will first draw AN as the base. We will draw right angle at vertex A. Now write the name here AN and we will get A hypotenuse MN like this. Give the name here M. This is the right angle. Here the length of segment MN is 10 centimeter. Length of segment AN is 8 centimeter. Now let us start with the construction. Draw segment AN of 8 centimeter. So from 0, draw the segment up to 8. Give the name to this segment AN. Here the length is 8 centimeter. So write it here. Now to draw right angle, use protractor, put it on vertex A, mark 90 degree here like this. Now join this using ruler, draw the ray starting with origin A. Give the arrow. Now we have to find the location of M. For that we will adjust 10 centimeter on compass. Put the needle end on 0 and bring the pencil end on 10. Like this. Now we will put the needle end on N and mark 10 centimeter on the ray. Now join this. This is the hypotenuse MN. Here the length of hypotenuse is 10 centimeter. So we will write it here. Here angle A forms the right angle. So we will show the symbol of right angle. Now this is a required triangle. So we will write here triangle MAN is the required triangle. Now let us move on to the next example. Now in right angle triangle STU, hypotenuse SU is 5 centimeter and length ST is 4 centimeter. So here the hypotenuse is given SU as 5 centimeter and this is the side forming right angle. So we will take this as the base. So first we will draw segment ST as the base. Give the name here ST. It is of 4 centimeter. So we will write here 4 centimeter. Now segment SU is 5 centimeter. It means from SU you will draw the hypotenuse. Therefore the right angle will be at vertex T. So we will draw right angle at vertex T. So show the symbol of right angle. Now join this. This is the vertex U. So this is the hypotenuse. It is of 5 centimeter. Now let us start with the construction. Draw segment ST of 4 centimeter. Give the name to this segment. It is ST. Length of this segment is 4 centimeter. Now we have to draw perpendicular on vertex T. So put the protractor, origin of the protractor on vertex T. Mark here 90 degree. Draw the ray starting from vertex T. Give the arrow. Now this is right angle. So put the symbol of right angle. Now here the length of hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. So we will mark 5 centimeter using compass. Again the same procedure. Put the needle end on 0 and pencil end on 5. Now here we will put the needle end on S. Give the arc here like this and join this intersecting point with the vertex S. Here you will get this vertex U. Here the length of this hypotenuse is 5 centimeter. So we will write here triangle STU is the required triangle.